If I told you there's a tea that could quietly transform the way your heart beats every single day, would you scroll away or stay and change your life forever? Let's be honest, most people take their heart for granted until something goes wrong. We rush through days filled with stress, poor sleep, processed food, and constant pressure, barely realizing that our heart is carrying all of it. Every disappointment, every worry, every late-night snack, every day of tension, your heart feels. And yet, there is a simple, almost hidden natural remedy that has been overlooked for decades. A remedy that supports your heart, calms your circulation, and revitalizes your entire cardiovascular system. Today, I want to reveal something people rarely share: the extraordinary benefits of rooibos tea with hawthorn berry. A combination that is deeply nourishing, remarkably protective, and surprisingly unknown. You won't see it trending. You won't find it plastered across magazines. But those who discover it often swear they feel the difference from the very first week. Rooibos, a red earthy herbal tea from South Africa, is naturally caffeine-free and loaded with unique antioxidants that specifically target oxidative stress, one of the biggest enemies of your heart. Meanwhile, hawthorn berry has been used in traditional European medicine for centuries to strengthen heart muscles, deepen circulation, stabilize heartbeat rhythm, and reduce tension in blood vessels. When combined, they form a powerful synergy that supports the heart in a gentle, natural, and consistent way. Maybe no one ever told you this because our world is obsessed with quick fixes, pills, and complicated treatments. But sometimes, healing begins in the simplest place: a warm cup between your hands, filled with ingredients your body instantly recognizes. How to make the heart-healing tea you'll need: 1 teaspoon of loose rooibos tea, 1 teaspoon of dried hawthorn berries, or 1/2 teaspoon of powdered hawthorn, 350 milliliters of hot water. How to prepare: heat the water until just below boiling. Rooibos tolerates heat well, but hawthorn preserves its compounds best when not boiled directly. Place both ingredients into a cup or teapot and pour the hot water over them. Cover and steep for 8 to 12 minutes. Strain and enjoy warm. Drink 1 to 2 cups daily, ideally during moments of calm, to maximize absorption and relaxation. The secret is in the steeping, giving enough time for the minerals, flavonoids, and antioxidants to fully release. This is the difference between just tea and therapeutic tea. What this tea does for your heart: this tea works on several crucial layers of heart health. It strengthens heart muscles thanks to hawthorn's active compounds, improves blood flow, allowing more oxygen to reach tissues, reduces oxidative stress, a major factor in aging and cardiovascular problems, supports healthy blood pressure by relaxing the blood vessels, calms the nervous system, reducing stress-induced heart strain, helps regulate heart rhythm, especially in moments of tension, enhances sleep quality, giving the heart time to restore itself naturally. It's not a miracle, it's not magic. It's simply nature doing its job. You might notice that your breathing becomes lighter, your chest feels less tight, and your energy becomes steadier throughout the day. Many people say hawthorn tea gives them a sense of safety inside their own body, something everyone deserves to feel. Why nobody talks about this tea? Because rooibos and hawthorn berry don't create hype. They don't come in flashy packaging. They're not part of billion-dollar industries. They quietly grow, get harvested, get dried, and carry centuries of wisdom inside them. And unlike many expensive supplements, this tea is accessible, gentle, and sustainable. There's no marketing push behind it, only results. Most people don't know that hawthorn was once considered a heart tonic, so powerful that physicians prescribed it before pharmaceuticals even existed. Rooibos, on the other hand, was treasured by South African communities for its ability to calm the body and mind without caffeine. Together, they form a heart-supporting ritual that modern life desperately needs. Who should consider this tea? This tea is especially helpful for people with frequent stress or anxiety, anyone experiencing occasional heart palpitations, those with family history of cardiovascular issues, people with mild blood pressure fluctuations, individuals who want natural prevention, anyone who feels constant fatigue, people seeking better sleep and circulatory balance. It is not a replacement for medical treatment, but an extraordinary daily ally that supports your heart in a deep, natural way. How to enhance its healing effects? If you want to boost the tea's benefits, try this. Drink it slowly. Do not rush. As you sip, breathe deeply, inhaling for 4 seconds, exhaling for 6. This shifts the body into a parasympathetic state, reducing the heart's workload and improving blood vessel dilation. A simple cup of tea becomes a ritual of restoration. Try adding a thin slice of orange peel for extra antioxidants, a teaspoon of raw honey for soothing properties, a pinch of cinnamon to support circulation, but even plain. This tea is incredibly powerful. Your heart beats over 100,000 times a day. It works for you without complaint, without pause, without hesitation. When you give it nourishment.com and natural support, it responds with resilience, energy, and longevity. This tea is not trendy. It's not advertised. It's something better, real. A daily reminder that nature still knows what the body needs, even when the world forgets. If your heart has carried you this far, give it what it truly deserves. Start today, before tomorrow asks for what you didn't protect.